Father's Day is on its way, and if your dad is a Bushmaster chef, 4-wheel drive Supacentre has a heap of gear that he'll love. First up, how about a campfire rotisserie? Any dad will love cooking a perfect roast over the open fire, and it means he can kick back and relax while dinner is cooking. For a multi-purpose campsite cooking setup, you've got to get him a Voyager portable barbecue. Brekkie, lunch or dinner, it's easy to set up and start cooking. For a camping classic, get your dad a Baduri camp oven. Whether he's making damper, a roast or just frying up a quick meal on the lid, you know he'll be stoked. To make life easier at camp and to get your dad something he'll use every time he's away, grab a 4-piece camping chef's knife kit. Super sharp and super handy, it'll make prepping and serving a breeze. Finally, why not grab him a pair of Flaming Coals beef and lamb rubs? If he's a Bushmaster chef, he'll already know how tasty these will make your next camp meal. Or if he needs a bit of help with cooking, these are the perfect gift. With 4-wheel drive Supacentre, you can get your dad a great quality Father's Day gift without the hefty price tag. And with the delicious meals he'll be cooking at camp, everyone wins.